Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Foodie Mom. I hope all of you are doing good. So friends, in today's video I am making HungCurd dip and it is really very tasty. You can have it with nachos or potato chips or with anything. Also you can put it in your sandwiches also. So for that I have taken 3 cloves garlic, very finely chopped, 2 green chilies, very finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, salt to taste, some black pepper, and about 1 to 1.5 tablespoon of curd, which I have put in sieve, and it will be like this in a sieve for about 1 to 2 hours so that all the extra water can come out. And also you can change the quantity of garlic and chilies according to your taste. So now let's start with our recipe. So over here in the mixing bowl I'm putting in lemon juice, green chilies, garlic, and some salt. And now I'll be dropping in the HungCurd. And now what we will do is, now we'll mix everything really well till it becomes a fine paste. The dip is ready, and if you want it to be more creamy and more thick, you can hang the curd for about 5 to 6 hours. So our dip is ready. Now garnishing it with fresh crushed peppercorns. And that will be all. So I really hope that you have liked my video. If you have, please do not forget to subscribe my channel, leave a comment and hit like. I'll see you next time with another video of mine. Till then, take care. Bye bye.